Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I was teaching our Trade Smart workshop the other day, and I had an example that I was going through with the Greeks, and I was actually able to trick a couple of people, which was kind of fun. I love to do that. And I want to kind of go through this logic step here, too, just for a little test. I bet some of you guys are going to get this, but I bet some of you won't. So if I bought these Apple 146 calls, and Apple went up $1, how much money would I make on my calls? So again, if I'm buying the Apple 146 calls, which are shown here highlighted in blue, and the stock went up $1, how much would I make? Tick tock, tick tock. I guess I could have edited in the theme from Jeopardy, but imagine I'd have to pay Jeopardy for that if I did, so I guess I won't. The intuitive answer is, well, you'll make about 47 cents because the delta is 47. But that's not really the whole story. It doesn't really give you an accurate answer. That gives you an accurate answer if the stock went up $1 today, right now. But what if it went up $1 over the next, say, week? Well, then I have to take into account something else. I have to take into account theta. The theta here is 8.7 cents. 8.7 cents times 7 days is 60.9 cents that I'll lose in theta. Now, I'll still make the 46.8 cents, right? So minus 46.8 cents, I'm going to end up actually losing 14 cents if it takes too long. What I make on delta can be lost on theta. And so we always have to weigh the Greeks, and that's just sort of the perfect and easiest example to go through, is to weigh delta versus theta to illustrate, if nothing else, exactly how important it is to go through this exercise and always look at the Greeks. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.